What if I tell you that Iran's Strait of Hormuz is in danger? Warships are moving, tankers are being tracked, and behind those closed doors, Washington and Tehran are playing a dangerous game of pressure and retaliation because a new development has just surfaced and it could send shockwaves through the global energy market. Reports suggest that the US has been seriously discussing a bold move, seizing tankers carrying Iranian oil, and that too on the high seas. Yes, you heard that right, not sanctioned on the paper, not warning through any diplomacy, but physical action against ships that are moving oil across international waters, specifically the Strait of Hormuz. If that happens, then it could trigger the entire Middle East. You're watching Times XP, it's me, Dhriti Yatri, and let's slow this down and know what's exactly happening. Oil is not fuel, it is the bloodstream of global economy. Factories run on it, transport depends on it, entire national economies rise and fall with its price. And right at the center of the oil story, Iran sits. For years, Washington has tried to squeeze Iran's oil exports, and that too using sanctions, sometimes economic pressure. But here, Tehran has continued to find ways to sell crude through complex shipping routes, hidden transactions, and shadow fleets. Now the US appears to be considering a more aggressive step, stopping those shipments physically. Yes, you heard that right. But here is where the tensions they explode. Iran has already sent a chilling warning. If its oil trade is attacked, it will retaliate, and retaliation may not stay limited because Iran controls influence in one of the most sensitive oil corridors on planet Earth, the Persian Gulf and the Strait of Hormuz. In fact, nearly one-fifth of world's oil supply it passes through this narrow waterway. One disruption here and fuel prices could surge worldwide overnight. And this is not just theoretical fear here. Iran has already shown what it is capable of. Recently, Iran seized two foreign crew oil tankers, accusing them of fuel smuggling. The message was loud. The message was clear. Iran can act, and it can act fast. Now imagine the situation escalating. US forces stopping Iranian shipment, Iran responding by targeting the vessels and blocking the shipping lanes. Suddenly, commercial trade routes could turn into military flashpoints, and that is exactly what is worrying America right now. Inside Washington, intense discussions are repeatedly taking place. Military options, economic strategies, maritime enforcement plans, everything is being weighed very carefully here. But there is another twist in the story. President Donald Trump is said to still prefer diplomacy. Yes, pressure is rising, but negotiations over Iran's nuclear program, they are still alive. And this creates a very delicate balancing act, right? Push too hard and talks could collapse. Hold too back and Iran could gain leverage. This, ladies and gentlemen, is geopolitical chess game where every move carries global consequences. Energy markets are already watching nervously, shipping companies are calculating risk, and countries dependent on oil imports are quietly preparing backup plan. Because if conflict disrupts the oil flow, petrol prices rise, transport costs it will jump, inflation spreads across economies, and all of a sudden a conflict thousands of kilometers away begins affecting the global life. The biggest fear now is not just war, it is miscalculation. A single tanker seizure, a single naval confrontation, and a single wrong signal on military radar, and the crisis could really spiral out of control.